fishing. We've just gotten to a known safe location. We got the buggy. Assumed safe. So we're going to push forward and do a recce of the track and make sure the car can get down there. Otherwise, we have to unload and fill the buggy up for a few days out on the water. Bees. Let's do it.
She's off, Steve-o.
Yeah, mate.
Get it.
Seatbelt. So we're just scouting out possible locations to get the car in, or at least pull in so it's closer to us, so you don't have to lug the camping gear as far. But we're diving right down into the forest now. Is this the? This might be a bit fucking. I'll be able to get the trailer through here. So,
Yeah, this is fine, bro. That's tight.
We won't get through that.
You ain't getting the trailer past that.
We might be able to move that, but with the winch.
Probably pushed it.
Yeah, we'll have
You
to
just drive into it.
on the way back. We'll try and push it over.
Don't wet me, you dog. I said don't wet me, you dog.
Looks like we found our sticking point. Oh, it's still.
There's just no bridge.
People still use it.
Yeah. There's no bridge.
Yeah, but I want to make sure there's no. Here's the drop off. Look.
Yeah, it's just a hole.
We would.
We're just gonna have to.
Oh, here's the bridge. Look.
You're gonna have to put the trailer somewhere. The buggy's fine. We're gonna have to trailer it.
I reckon I'd get trail through here.
No, not through there, bro. That's a pinch, man. That's a
Okay.
big trailer. No way. Oh, there's a trout.
Hey?
There's a trout there.
Is there?
Yeah, he was just there. He just moved off. Alright,
Well, look, this is what. Let's drive all the way. What we might do is we might ditch the trailer back where we find a spot, drive the car in, unload,
come back and hook up.
come back, hook up the car with the trailer,
Yeah.
and then we can just back it in somewhere safe. That way, and then just do the same when we leave.
Yeah.
That'd be the easiest way, I reckon. Let's just check we can get all the way. Because even if it's like,
Because we can ditch the trailer back
Right.
at that point, the turn point.
I would ditch it right here. You can just pull off to the side here.
As long as we can get past that point.
Past the log, yeah. All right, let's keep going. Just double checking.
Into the abyss, mate.
there, and then I've already seen some fish that were cruising in, so set up shop, get going. Here we go, all set up. Time to gear up and get out there. Get them trouters. We're ready to roll.
Got all my shit.
So what are we doing? Smallest fish cooks
Smallest fish cooks.
or least amount of fish?
Nah, I think it's a bit unfair because my pan can only cook one steak at a time. So if you're
Fuck my
cooking all
sunnies.
of it, you're doing like it could be an hour and a half to cook those 3 steaks on the titanium pan.
Yeah, okay. Smallest. Smallest. Now I forgot my sunnies. Well, yeah, that's the aim of the game. To catch fish. Let's go. So I have fixed my waders, potentially. I have glued the living hell out of them. So hopefully I don't get any more water in all these cool little waterways. We might do some gold panning while we're here as well, but look at this place. Oh, you can walk down this little
Yeah, I reckon we follow this little stream.
estuary. Yeah, and then
A buggy down here.
I've driven down here before, yeah. No. How fucking sick is this, bud? So one over near the log back eddy and go like full fist right, yeah. Just at the tail end of that bubble trail. Bro, they do weird things. Like sit in the shallow. What a special place. The big hole. Alright, we just dropped down into the river. Very, 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 very stunning place. We are finding it a little difficult to see some eats. There are pretty few and far in between, but I mean, we've only gone 300 meters down the creek. Out here in the Alaskan wilderness. Just look at that. Just take that in. What else can compete with that? Alright, let's have a little prospect here. I'm sort of hoping there's going to be a fish in this little side stream, or down there's a big eddy. Oh, there's fish. There's all little baby fish through here. Surely there's one over here. Oh no, oh there we go. It's off. We have abandoned traveling down the gorge anymore. It just gets too deep. And the issue is, even now when the clouds come over, you can't see where your feet are going, which obviously poses a problem the darker it gets. So we're going to press on and head up north above camp, and see how we fare up there, which we should fare a little bit better. It's a little bit slower running water. Here it's just pumping out. Which, I mean, like the big fish maybe hold, but we just don't know. So let's push up. Oh. Sketch waters. I can see. This stuff's hard to walk on, man. It's bloody tiring. There we go, Brad's on. Well, he's not on. He has visually been enticed to pull the fly out. Do you know what sucks about neoprene waders? It's harder to scratch your nuts because there's like a thicker thing. The pinch and roll doesn't work that great. A water loaded cast. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So that's like when you do a false cast.
Yeah. It's heterosexual. It's one of the few heterosexual.
Well, that's how I learned to fly cast, was just false casting. Just slapping the water. And in my mind, I'm like, yeah, it's like a popper. The barras will love it. That's sick. Brad just seen IRL fish. Just real proud of yourself.
Yeah, I'm a real good boy.
Tell me I'm good. Someone's like paved this up the creek. They like screwed that bit in. Oh, there's a set of thongs there. Brad's got a little tacker. A little tacker on. Yeah.
That's a good fish, eh?
Nah, it's like the same as yours, I think.
Bigger.
A little bit bigger.
A bit bigger. I might not land him.
Oh!
Congrats, that's a PB.
That is a PB.
A poofta boy.
That is literally a PB.
Yeah, fuck yeah. That's a legal fish.
Oh no! He's gone. And he took my fly.
Oh well, you landed him.
No!
Still counts.
Ah!
How big do you think it was?
I don't know, like 35 maybe? The length of this?
Yeah, that was a nice fish.
Like in there? I'm upset he took my fucking fly. Well, that was my first fish. I got it in the net, and then unfortunately the slippery hands dropped it and it took my fly as well, so it's a bit of a letdown. Would have been a good size to eat. Hopefully we can get another one and we can cook it up. Yeah, we'll just keep working this edge up here. Just prospecting along. Let's see how we go. Whew, there we go. I stopped to have a leak at this next spot we walked up to. And no sooner as I put everything down, Old Lukey's on the table now. Now we're all, and it's just starting to fire up there. Jumping everywhere. Crack a spot. Just goes to show you never know what's around the next bend. You know, you should persevere and push on. Yeah! Round snouty. Whoa! Whoa! Dirtied the camera. Righto, get into it. Bill's out and then gutted it. Big old here. They're swimming up the waterfall. Yeah. I didn't do anything then. Danger. Whoa, they're pulling. Well, that pulled into a little creek just to have a little sticky beak. Have a look. Nice little fella. Oh, away he goes. Get it, Brad. Need a drink. Here we go. Day one is done. Time for a beverage. We got dinners going on. We got some sick. What we got here? Backcountry cuisine, freeze dry, fast and furious food for adventurers. That's you. Beef pasta and hot pot. Check it out. One fish each. It's not too bad.
I got two.
Oh, sorry. He got two.
Is that my other?
The rest of us got one. Happy days.
Fuck man, how did you end up like that? Sizzle
Well,
steak. Saying as
What?
bacon and eggs.
Yeah, sizzle steak, bacon, eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean the sausage, they'll probably put a bit more
Some steak.
oil in there, but
We'll get this fire going and dry out what I need my socks dried. Some sizzle
bring
steak.
your waders out on the pan. That should have some oil in there, right?
Some ball sweat. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow, bright and early, for another day on the water. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Turning into a crack a day with all this fog rolling in. It's only early. Seen some fog, seen a couple of eats this morning while we're down by the water having coffee. Not a bad spot. It's in the back, bro.
Can we crack some chips?
Yeah,
Sorry, boy.
yeah, some chippies.
Are they very nasty?
Yeah. Just gonna pack up camp and then suit up, and then we'll be back on our way. Potentially heading back up that same system again. We did real well yesterday. We saw a bit more action. So that's the plan. Let's go. Rightio, here we go. Day 2 adventuring has begun. Sky's looking good. It's a recipe for success. Look up that creek. Nice calm waters. 3 friends on an epic adventure with a river and tree backdrop outlined by the fog and the sun. What more could you ask for? Alright. Maybe a fish. I'm ready. Very nice. There we go, not a bad way to start off the morning. Right, just seen it eat on the ledge there. He said, watch this. First cast, nailed it.
Something like that.
He's a good fisherman, just ask him. What a really cool spot. Big tree. My turn. I got myself into a bit of mischief here. Just trying to get around the... Oh, that's a steep drop. Trying to get around the fucking rocky boys, and I think I've done more harm than good. How the fuck am I meant to get down there? Oh my god. Here looks probably a bit more less steeper, I think. Maybe. Oh. It all looks pretty fucking steep. Oh, might be able to make that work. Maybe. Might have to do a bum slide. Might have to do a bum. Oh shit, I'm falling anyway. Ah! Oh. Let's get this through. And then let's go. Timber! Yup, I made it. I just had to take a leap of faith. Oh, I did not die. Oh, I didn't die. Oh, that's exciting. Alright, well, I'm safe, guys, so everyone can relax. There we go, just pulled up for a little break. Lukey pushed out on the rocks and hit it, got one, then it dropped it, and he slapped it back down and got another one. So we're going to keep pushing. But look at this little magical place. In front of Lukey. Jammed him. Oh yeah. Yeah, he fed hard again. Yeah, that way.
pretty much pushed our limits up this way without getting too sketchy or too exhausting with climbing through the bush. So we're gonna make our way back and head up that little stream that we started seeing them on late Arvo yesterday. So we have a bit more time going up there. Hopefully produce a little bit more. It's a bit few and far in between. Yeah, yeah. We just went.
That big layer over there.
Well, yeah, I was about to say, just go through the Bernie boys. We just did an epic Mission Impossible slide down the cliff. Up there. We're safe now. Oh, what is it, like a re-entrant? A little creek?
Yeah, we've got to follow the river a little bit more, and then we're nearly ready to cut in.
Ah! Oh, lovely.
I had the same thing happen before, so it took so long. But like the whole line, the whole leader. And I had to go through and rip like
Everything.
a little piece of fern off, and then I'd rip a piece off and then tangle on another bit. Just fucking doing my head in.
Jungle fly fishing.
Fucking
Lines of grip.
We're at that island spot.
Ow!
you didn't see it.
I'm alive. Did my rod snap?
Nearly? It's a bit loaded up.
You're right.
I'm alive. Oh. Oh. Woo!
I've emerged.
Yeah,
Alive.
I'm alive. Alright, I'm gonna backtrack. I dropped my sunglasses when I stacked it. And I'm not gonna fish without those. So I need to go back to the scene of the incident and try and find them. Hopefully I can get there. Well, this is where I stacked it, but I think my sunnies are gone. My head was there. I mean, they could have really been. Oh. Oh well, couldn't find my bloody glasses or my beanie. So we'll keep going without them. Should be alright, hopefully. The water's so clear here anyway. It's a bit annoying, but I got a hole in my boot again. It's full of water. Dang it. Nearly back at the creek.
That's it.
Lunchtime.
And fuck around. Lunch of kings.
Of King's lunch. A bag of chips for 3 dudes. good flavour, but
We're gonna die here.
sea salt, balsamic vinegar. Get it up here. Back in the creek again.
He came up slow too.
Oh. Ah!
You got him hooked in the side or wrapped him?
Yeah.
Man, that's a good little size to drop in with pot with your knees.
Look him in the fin. No.
Very
These are
they're
cool colours,
They're
man.
very pretty in here. That one I got was the same as that.
Real red.
Yeah, very bright. Other way, bud.
Oh, Brad's got a monster. Bends up. He's railroad you through the timber. Yeah, I'm coming. Whoa. Net duties. Here I come. Hey?
I like the orange tag. A bit of...
Oh, here's a good one. Whoa! Look at your line. Where'd he go?
There he is, coming up to it.
Oh my god.
Between your legs, I think.
Oh my god.
Oh no, stop. Oh. You gotta get your hook.
Get off my... oh.
Nah, don't put your foot down.
I'm trying not to.
I've got to get it up to get it off. It's on the hook. There you go.
Oh, sorry, bro. No, you're not on,
I can't.
bro.
I'm gonna... You got a hook on your heel.
Fucking hell.
You see the hook?
Yeah.
And when it hit the hook, the line would just follow your boot. He's gone through your reel, look.
Yeah, I know. I've seen that. He's a better fish, but way better. He wants some. Yeah, don't do that.
It's that orange, bro, eh? It's that yellowy orange, man.
It's a barbless hook. It's bedded in there.
It's a good fish.
Wasn't that a shit fight?
He's heaps of it.
Male.
Show us. The fish that caused all the problems. And off he goes. Yep. Yep. Nah, just a little fella. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, babe. Oh yeah. Nice fella. Get him. Sorry. Didn't mean for it to go there. Oh, you fucking dog rooter. He fucking hit it.
Serious? Got him.
Stop.
I'm trying to stop. I was like, what? I just watched your line collapse and I was like, and then mine stopped working. I was like, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh, they have an intercourse. Like literal intercourse.
Literally fly on fly.
Yeah.
That's retarded.
Manta. Manta. Big baby brown. Fuck, they look cool. They are a stunning looking fish.
I just love the variation on it. Yeah, there you go. Half a cast past this rock in the bubble seam, dead middle of the bubble seam.
You in a game, Steve?
Not use probably you go. I can't really wait out there, can I? Maybe.
Nah, half a cast past the rock.
Ah. Well, that's our day pretty well done. From here, we're gonna move back to camp and get a monster of a feed because we haven't eaten all day. Apart from breakfast. And a couple of chippies. That's not eating, that's snacking. I want eat. Eat. Anyway, let's walk back to camp. Alright, that's our day done. Good day's fishing. Sorry, we are absolutely wrecked. We just had a killer feed of homegrown beef steaks. So it's been awesome. Now we're going to go down, do the dishes, have a little look around the water, and just enjoy this place. We'll see you tomorrow. We fogged up there. Jesus. Day 3, pack up day, last day. We're gonna try a different part of the river. Try and see if we can find some bigger ones. We went down there, or me and Luke went down there the other day and managed to get a rainbow. So we'll head back down there, have a little sticky beak around, make sure everything's packed up. Meant to be getting rain and storms, but it's looking pretty good at the moment. But we gotta do our gut first. Oh, fucking Jesus. The weather's pretty well set in, so we're gonna call it there. It's not really worth us trying to get another little fish in, but we had a good time. Everyone's back. Till next time, see you out there.